I'm out here with my nephew Charlie, and he is gonna show me how to do a jump.
So you want to kind of like hit right here because it lifts up more than right here. It will give you more speed, well, I mean more lift if you jump right there, and you can go like this far. Like, so you want to kind of like pull your bike up like this.
Well, okay, but
you go on.
my hand's not there when I'm
Well, it's not on
biking.
your seat.
Well, you said you pull up your bike right. Oh, I see what you mean.
Like you're on your thing, so you pull it up first right this. Pull it up like that.
Oh, okay.
It's easier to pull it off in the air.
Charlie is setting up. He's way down there. He's gonna jump.
My name is Charlie. She was talking about me earlier, and she's about to come and trying to do a jump. So let's see if she can get a bunch of there. So she's gonna try to do this jump right here. Let's see how this goes.
No, that's too small.
No. Oh, I think you might have got some. You got air.
No.
You got a tiny bit.
That's it with Charlie's lesson. His first lesson on how to do a jump.
And that's how you do a jump. A jump, my friends.